5 years of mornings, echoes in the hall. Your coffee cup still sitting by the wall. I talk to memories like they're breathing, but your silence feels like leaving. I wear the years like a faded coat, worn at every edge where love once rode. I trace the words we never said, still living in the home we built. And I try, oh I try to breathe, to let go of what you used to be. But my heart keeps calling your name, even when you don't feel the same. If love stayed, would you stay here in this bed we made? Would you see me, really see me, not the space where you once believed? If love stayed, would we find our way back someday? Or would the words we never say fade like the promises we say? Laughter lingers in the doorway light, but your eyes now look like a quiet night. I say your name into empty air and wish I could find you somewhere there. Your heart used to dance with mine, now it barely keeps time. I still hold hope in a trembling hand, but it's slipping like soft sand. Maybe love doesn't end, it just learns another shape. Maybe the part that hurt the most is finding what we can't remake. Still I whisper your name like a prayer into the night. Even if you don't remember me, I still remember your light. If love stayed, would you see the man who loved you every day? Hear the quiet in the places left unsaid, and feel what lingers where we once led. If love stayed, would you smile and I walk away? I'm still here, still loving you though you don't stay.